We've been waiting this for a month and finally it arrived. Hello Yamsters, welcome back to my vlog. We are on the way to the shop. I got a message from Vodafone that our phone has arrived. We are excited so we went to the shop right away. By the way, ang tawag pala dito sa mall sa Australia ay shopping center or shop. Ito ang shopping center. Nag-park na muna kami ni tita. Yan ang Coles. Diyan naman kami nag-grocery ni tita. Ito naman ang Chemist Warehouse, a retail pharmacy in Australia. Diyan kami bumibili ng vitamins pang balikbayan box. Malapit na kami sa shop ng Vodafone. Grabe ang excitement ni Tita Fel. I've been using Vodafone for 3 years now. Vodafone is one of the telecom providers here in Australia. 3 years old na din ang lumang phone ko na iPhone 11. I'm thinking maybe it's time to get a new phone since tapos na din ang contract ko sa iPhone 11. Medyo nag-second thought pa ako pero sabi ko nga, I work so hard naman, why don't I reward myself? I'm rewarding myself for being courageous, strong, and forgiving. Yummy, you've been through a lot and you work so hard to be who you are now. So you deserve a reward, Char. Walang staff na nag-asikaso sa amin kaagad. Busy sila, kaya naghintay muna kami.
I got this one. Ito yung
I know
nakuha
you
ko.
got that 449.
Yes, kasama ito sa kinuha ko. Matching sa deep blue color na iPhone 14. Nakuha ko na kaagad ito nung nag-order pa lang kami ng iPhone kasi may stock naman ng Vodafone. Monthly din ang payment ng plan dito. Ito ang hinihintay namin ni tita. iPhone 14 Pro Max. Ang kay tita, iPhone Pro Max 128GB. Ang sa akin naman ay iPhone 14 Pro Max 256GB. Sa storage space lang kami ni tita magkaiba since I need a bigger space for taking videos for my vlog. Here are the specs of iPhone 14. What I'm looking forward for the iPhone 14 is the 4K video format. iPhone 14 has a bigger camera compared to iPhone 11. I only compared it to iPhone 11 dahil wala naman akong iPhone 12 and 13. We waited patiently and finally he's here to assist us. He asked for our ID at yun lang. By the way, ang daming boxes ng iPhone to be picked up. Yay! Ito na ang bago naming phone.
Wow! And that's mine. Thank you!
This must be my last vlog using the iPhone 11. Pag uwi namin sa bahay, nag-unbox na kaagad kami. We cannot hide the joy we have while unboxing it. Ako pala ang nag-push kay tita na mag-shift into iPhone. Pwede na ako maging sales rep ng Apple. Char! Ganun din si tita, nag-second thought din kung kukuha siya ng iPhone. But we have the same principle. She also worked hard, bakit daw pagdadamatan niya ang sarili niya. We got the same color, the deep purple. What's inside the box? The iPhone 14 of course, and cord charger. Let's take a closer look of the iPhone 14. It has a bigger size compared to my old iPhone 11. Syempre, dalawang iPhone model na ang dumaan. We both like the color. Ni-set up ko muna ang iPhone ni tita. Ang iPhone bundle accessories naman includes snap wireless charger, dual USB-C wall adapter, screen protector, crystal palace snap. With this charger, just plug it at ganito. Maganda talaga kung may screen protector ang phone. Look at my iPhone 11. Diba? Good as new pa din. No scratches, no cracks. Kahit ilang beses ko na ito nahulog. Thank you for being with me for 3 years. Naging saksi ka sa lahat ng mga pinagdaanan ko. Char! Ayaw man kitang bitawan but I have to let you go. Alam ko naman, aalagaan ka ng bagong magmamay-ari sa'yo. Excited na nga yun eh. FYI Youngsters, lahat pala ng vlog ko ay kuha gamit ang iPhone 11. Ito pala ay kuha gamit ang iPhone 14. Ang video sa first part ng vlog na ito ay kuha gamit ang iPhone 11. Let's compare the video quality of iPhone 11 versus iPhone 14. Yung nasa left, kuha gamit ang iPhone 11. At ang sa right naman ay iPhone 14. Amazing ang quality ng iPhone 14. Kaya Youngsters, huwag manghinayang na mag-invest ng joy and love for yourself. Just make sure it's within your limits. Sabi nga, when you give yourself a reward, your brain produces dopamine, a hormone that makes us feel good and joyful. And remember, rewarding yourself is an action of a self-love. Love yourself, Youngsters. I love you all.